In the wake of the RS 660 factory, Aprilia is introducing a Tuono 660 factory as well. The primary highlight of the Tuono 660 factory is the enhancement of the Öhlins suspension, using the NIX30 fork and SDX46 shock in place of the components found in the basic model. The Tuono 660 is the naked version of the RS 660 and shares much of the same structure as its fully faired counterpart. The distinction, of course, is in the elimination of most fairings, so exposing the 660 parallel twin engine as a visual element. To further differentiate the Tuono 660 factory, both the frame and swing arm are now black, and the factory is exclusively offered in a single color option, dark banshee. Aprilia forward-facing parallel twin-cylinder, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled engine including a radiator and water oil heat exchanger, DOHC with a quiet chain on the right side, and 4 valves per cylinder. The distinctive triple LED headlight and front fairing, accompanied by a small winglet beneath, remain consistent with the RS 660. Located behind the front fairing is the primary distinction from the RS. A handlebar replaces the clip-ons, facilitating a more upright riding posture. Similar to the RS 660, the Tuono 660 factory will be equipped with a more potent, €5+ compliant engine, now delivering 105 horsepower due to the enlarged 52mm throttle bodies. A transition from the prior 48mm components. The increase in power and the asserted curb weight of 399 pounds enhance the Tuono's power-to-weight ratio, while the Öhlins suspension augments the motorcycle's road connectivity. Nevertheless, if you attempt to contravene the laws of physics, the Tuono factory is equipped with a comprehensive suite of APRC electronics, supported by a 6-axis IMU, which encompasses adjustable traction control, cornering ABS, adjustable wheelie control, cruise control, an up/down quickshifter, adjustable engine braking, and various engine maps. For 2025, the introduction of launch control and a new 5-inch TFT display featuring optic bonding enhances screen brightness and minimizes reflections. As customary, various extras will be available for the Tuono, including a single-seat tail section that substitutes the passenger seat, so decreasing weight and providing the rider with additional space to shift backward in the seat for a more aerodynamic position at high speeds. The U.S. price is established at $13,499, with bicycles expected to arrive at dealerships in May 2025.